everyone, welcome to my channel, For the Love of Beauty. This is a previous recorded video and I'm just now putting it out. This wig came from the bargain bin. In my previous video of me reviewing a wig, I said that I got the wig from Barrel and Crates, but the correct name is bargain bin. This wig was $1. So, like I said earlier in the previous video, when I see a wig, I said, I can do something with this wig. Now, I have worn this wig before, so I decided to go ahead and wash it and show you guys another wig that I picked up from the bargain bin. So this wig is in a black 27. I want to say a 127. 127. So if I'm wrong, please correct me. So this is what the wig looks like. Sort of a reddish blonde. And I'm turning her around to show you all what she looks like. So I took off the wig head and I'm just showing you all how she looks. Sort of a reddish blonde color. She's short in the back and see the blackness up to the top. I love that. So she's straight, doesn't have any curls in her. So I think this is a human hair wig. And I'll show you in the end of the video when I get ready to flat iron her. But I think she's a human hair. And this wig did not shed any when I washed it. So this wig is a full cap wig. She doesn't have any logos, and she does have an adjustable straps and ear tabs. She has no combs. She is a full cap wig. I don't know the name of this wig because she doesn't have any tag with the logo in it. So if you know the name of this wig, please list it down below. So the wigs that I do get, some of them don't have name brands in them. So I don't know the names, of the wigs. So I'm going to get ready to wash her, but just showing you the wig itself. Okay, so let's get to the washing. So the shampoo that I am using, it is called Aussie. It is by Aussie. Aussie shampoo and Aussie conditioner. I've washed her. I am combing her out, and I am going to leave her on the wig head overnight to dry. Hello everyone. Now this is the next day, and this is the wig. It is completely dry. As I have shown you before, the wig is a full cap wig. These are the adjustable straps, and she has no combs. She's a straight wig. She has no curls, no waves, or anything. So I will have to bump her up a little using my small, flat hot iron. So this is what she looks like on my head. So I will have to bump her up a little. So continue to watch. This is a wet and wavy shine spray that I am going to spray on the wig for a little shine. so far to my liking. I believe this is a human wig. As I flat ironed it, it didn't draw up, it didn't melt or anything. So I believe it is a human hair wig. So let me know if you like how I styled it. I know it can be more done to her, but this is what I want her to look for right now. So like I said, I worn her before. She is a beautiful wig. So I styled her the best way that I know how at the moment to my liking. So just let me know how you like it. And please, y'all, stay tuned for many more videos coming your way. Please forget to subscribe, like, share if you like. Come back. Don't let this be your last time. Please come back and visit my channel. I am going to continue to stay and make videos. So, I love you guys. I'm just posing right now. Showing you the wig that I found at Bargain Bin for $1. And it was a brand new wig. Yes, and I have many more to show you guys. So, stay tuned for the next video. Bye now.